Welcome. In front of me is the Ledger Nano S, and today I'll show you how to delete an app from it. App meaning any kind of wallet. So let me quickly just close this, quit. So as you can see on the Ledger itself, I have a bunch of wallets installed. So I have XRP, Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So anyway, to remove one of those, what you want to do is open up your Ledger Live application, either on your phone or on the computer. It really doesn't matter which one you're going to use. And from there, go to the Manage section, select your Ledger. Then navigate to Installed Apps. And in here, you'll have basically every app that is installed on the Ledger. Now, obviously that's not much considering this device has 140 kilobytes of storage, and I'm almost taking all of it with just 4 different wallets or apps. So anyway, from here, find whichever wallet app you want to remove. So if I want to remove Ethereum, I'm just going to click on the trash bin right here. As you can see, it gives us a message on installing, which additionally I will mention, uninstalling an app does actually not remove the funds that are on it. I'm not exactly sure how the device stores the crypto on here, but just because you remove this, for instance, like if you had some Ethereum, the Ethereum is still on here. It's somehow on an account which obviously is behind the 24-word key thing that you have. So you can reinstall app later on and basically have the full access to all the Ethereum that was on it before. So anyway, if you want to install more, obviously you are free to do so. Uninstall all of them if you want to right here. There we go. Additionally, as you can see, they automatically disappear from the Ledger itself. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.